Okay, so we're back. Got another trade. I'm in the middle of buying a 10k funded, and I probably messed it up in the sense that I selected trading view to execute on because I haven't done that before, and I thought that'd be much more convenient. And then it's been like, it won't. Obviously, I'm trading with fivers, and they don't have their own broker, I don't think. So they use like a liquidity pool, something like that. Point is, I can't trade on that, so I'm trying to sort that. But anyway, it's not relevant. Just thought I'd keep you updated. I'm in the midst of sorting out a 10k fund at the minute. To the trade. So we're bullish. We're trending higher, pushing up, push through this fair value gap here. So it's out all this sell side in the fair value gap. I think never had the fair value gap. Trending higher. We've taken the previous day high here, but I don't think that's our draw liquidity. I think we're looking to draw into obviously a premium here. So this sort of range here, but also this fair value gap. That looks pretty tempting to me. I think we're going to push, or trying to push higher. On the 4 hour, not a great deal. Open kind of within this range here. Opened in that range pretty much, and then just been rallying since. Hourly, I'm trending higher since market open. I'm assuming this is a Sunday, yeah. Trended higher, traded down into this order block here, expanded again, took out the buy side here, traded back down into 15 minute. So we traded quite deep into a discount, but we've also tapped into this order block. That's what I'm looking at, and the fair value gap. That's a high probability confluence, that provided that we are actually bullish, which I think we are. We've taken up the previous day high, come down, we've come back up again. So it's not like we've hit this area and then run all the way down. I do think we're overwhelmingly bullish as a result of that. 5 minute, obviously much the same as the 15, traded down, kind of choppy through here, a couple of order blocks, not many fair value gaps in this one here, but on the 15 minute, we've got nothing, so I think that shouldn't be too much of an issue, especially with how we've filled this order block and that fair value gap. 5 minute traded down into this fair value gap here, into this order block. I haven't had the change state delivery. See here, change state delivery from this leg down, which took out the sell side down here. We've traded it all the way up, come back down into this region. I'm now looking for a trade kind of somewhere beneath this red line, which we've got. Expanded up, shifting market structure there, above that high. Traded back down into this fair value gap. I didn't set a limit order, but that's really what we're going off. Looking to trade up into this swing high here. 15 minute is a fair value gap. I'm going to look to manage our position if we can get up to this order block here, because I think price could start acting a bit funny around there. Probably going to look to move to break even, trail stops rather than taking partials. So I mean, yeah, there's not much to go at really. Again, 3 minute change state delivery, trade into that. But yeah, really going off that. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm a bit uncomfortable with this 5 minute gap here, but I think this should overpower it if we are bullish. Hourly, we've not actually got any direct confluences, but this order block feels nice. No fair value gap, but then again, trading into a discount should push higher. See how we go. And out already. It's a fast stop. Oh, why is it lagging? I don't want to play too much of it because again, it looks a bit like, well, it's just super hard to journal later if I go too far ahead. But I mean, this leg down is clearly bearish. Barely tapped into a premium with that leg down, which could be it, but I don't matter. Let me just see. Oh, I need to see how this plays out. So we did push higher eventually. Traded down, took out the sell side under here, then rallied. I don't really know why that's happened. We've not traded into anything as such. I thought this move into the order block was much cleaner with this big wick. Didn't ever like kind of close within this order block. Didn't trade into a 15 minute gap. Swept out the sell side, I suppose, but that's not really like, I wouldn't have banked on that being the case. But this was the leg we wanted to catch. But even that, doesn't look particularly good because such that sell side expanded. Didn't shift market structure trade into a fair value gap. Didn't hold this fair value gap, then traded down into I suspect a 5-minute gap. Didn't even hold the 5-minute. Not a particularly clean move into the order block. I don't know. Maybe it's just one of them days where it's like price don't give you a nice trade. So if it doesn't, don't trade. I do feel like I'm trying to pack in trades a little bit too much in a minute. I can't really see what's gone wrong here. I'd love to be able to, but I can't. So if you have any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise I will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.